Hi, Natasha here. Continue watching so I can guide you on how to find your perfect matching shade of the HY-GLAM Brightening and Hydrating Crease-Proof Serum Concealer. Once you find your perfect shade, it will blend seamlessly into your natural skin tone. Before I will continue, I will just give you a quick and very important tip on how to match your shade if you're in store. Don't swatch it on the back of your hand and on your inner wrist, but do swatch above your jawline and see how it seamlessly blends into your skin. The first thing to ask yourself is, what are your concerns? What do you want a concealer to do for you? Concern number one. You're looking to conceal and brighten your subtle under eye circles, cover up blemishes, or neutralize redness. You should find your perfect match shade by undertone and overtone. The way you can discover your undertone is checking the color of your veins on your inner wrist in natural light. And another way is by the blush color that you find is complementing you the most. If your veins appear purple, you like to wear muted blushes like mauves, and bright blushes are just too much for you, you belong to the neutral, cool HY-GLAM concealer group. If your veins appear blue and you like to wear peach, tangerine, or terracotta blush shades, then you belong to the rosy HY-GLAM concealer group. If your veins appear more bluish green and you find most of the blush shades are suitable on you, except for muted cool tone blushes such as mauves, then you belong to the peach, warm HY-GLAM concealer group. But if your veins appear more olive green and you like to wear pink blushes, reds, purple, or berry blush shades, then you belong to the yellow, also golden and olive HY-GLAM concealer group. After you found your undertone, now select your overtone, which is either fair, light, medium, tan, dark, or deep. For example, if your undertone is yellow and your overtone is medium, pick the shade that is closest to your skin tone from the yellow medium concealer shades. If you like to wear your concealer lighter than your foundation or want to highlight your T-zone, choose a shade that's one shade lighter than your perfect match. Your perfect shade in the HY-GLAM concealer for contouring would be 3 to 4 shades darker in your undertone.